Hey everybody, this is Nick from Nick Reviews, and today we will be doing an unboxing on the recently released Vivo NEX. So recent, in fact, it only released today. I actually went to Vivo in Beijing, China today and picked this up for myself. So this is the 256 gig version with 8 gigs of RAM. It obviously has the latest Snapdragon 845 in it, as every other flagship does. But let's leave that for the review and let's get to the awesome unboxing. So let me open this puppy up and let's see how it is. Okay. Oh, there we go. Feels like Christmas. So exciting. Okay, let's open this box up here. Put it so you guys can see. Wow, look at that. Not really a wow factor right there and then. Let's put that to the side. Let's have a look what's inside here. So it says here, NEX open. Okay, so it specifically says open here. So it obviously opens from the side. Well, first thing I see here is the cover, and that's actually the most important thing to me. Look at that. Wow, that's a really neat looking cover. It's so slim and thin. This is a gorgeous cover. Look at this. Very nice cover. Okay, let's put that to the side there. Then we have our little documents over here. Got our pin for our SIM tray. Got a whole bunch of stuff here we're not too interested in, but that is there if you need it. We have some nice Vivo earphones over here. There they are. Let's have a look at the bud. Well, nice in ear. Thank goodness they didn't go Apple style. Do Apple EarPod style. So these look really nice. That looks like that's gonna fit flush in your ear. That's really cool. Very impressive. Good work, Vivo. Obviously, I have to hear what those sound like to be the proper judge. So let's take that to the side as well. Then let's see over here. We've got the quick charging. This is quick charge 3, which is always nice. Then we've got a first for Vivo here. We've got a USB Type-C cord. Thank goodness for that. I know that the Vivo X21, which I thought was their flagship, but it didn't come with all the latest hardware specs in it. That only came with a micro USB port. So here is in fact the USB Type-C, which is great. Nice, neat little packaging. And that's it. This is stuck in there. That's the whole box. So let's see. Slide this up. Oh, okay. Assuming this is how you slide it up. We just have a little side peel here. Over there. They give you directions. There's all your eyes at the back and what have you. Let's open this up. Here is the phone. Let me show you the back first. Wow, look at that. Look at that. Look at that. That is futuristic for sure. You have the, wow, that bump is nothing. That bump is ridiculously tiny. That camera bump is almost non-existent. That is very impressive. Good work, Vivo. We have the bottom over there. There's the speaker, the SIM tray, USB Type-C port. At the top, we have a headphone jack. Thank goodness for that. And over there, what is that? That is something that is a mystery to all of us. Well, let's turn it on and have a look. So, as soon as we turn it on, we're going to see this wonderful screen. NEX, powered by Android. Not by iOS. That's what it should say. So, it shouldn't take too long to get to this step. Whoa, how cool is that? NEX. Well, I'm going to actually reset my phone later, just so that I can go through this process again. To get, wow, look at that screen. Oh my goodness, that is ridiculous. This is like, I have no words. This is beautiful. Look at this. I'm just gonna skip everything just to show you guys the end product. Skip and network assistant next, and skip and skip and skip. Oh, you don't want me to skip that. Let's do this. Fingerprints and passwords. Unlock the phone with your fingerprints instead of the screen. Okay, so this is their 3rd gen fingerprint sensor. It wants me to do a whole bunch of stuff here. Ask me questions. You know what? I'm actually going to leave the fingerprint for the review. Let's leave that. Leave the assistant. Hit next. Okay, skip the import. Skip is quite a few things, and use now. Whoa, look at that. Okay, it's telling me how to do everything. Oh, swipe from the bottom. Okay, oh, check. Oh, there we go. Okay, got our control center. Look at that screen, this is amazing. Look at this. Wow, look at the brightness there. It's nothing, watch this. Whoop, look at that display. That is the future of phones right there. There's barely any bezels. That chin is so tiny. It's really nothing to worry about. Okay, let's end it off like this, and then I'll say peace, and I'll see you guys next time. This is a little sneak peek for the review. Are you ready? Are you ready? Are you ready? Whoa, and there's my beautiful wife. Okay guys, that's it. I hope you enjoyed the unboxing, and I will be posting a review shortly. So yeah, be sure to check me out in the next couple days or so, and I'll have a full review on this guy. I hope you enjoyed the unboxing. Next, what is your next purchase? Cheers.